welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage, and today we're gonna tackle part 3 of the Volkswagen project. And I'm very sad to say that this is the final installment of the series, as we found a new home for the Volkswagen. It's life, guys. Somebody else needs the car more than I do, and you know what? I think it's the right thing to do, so we'll find something else. I might actually be working on something. So I just want to show you guys what I've been doing here with the steering wheel. So if you look on this side, it's nice and clean. Believe it or not, the steering wheel was a little dirty. See the difference? So we'll see how it looks when we're done. All you need, guys, is any type of leather cleaner, and use a microfiber towel. And don't be afraid to get on the switches and on the airbag. And as you can see, this is looking much nicer. Alright, guys, so I'm not going to show you the entire process with the inside of the car as far as leather goes, but just like the steering wheel, we're going to be using anything that's supposed to be good for cleaning leather. And watch as this shift knob comes back to life. It looks clean, but it's actually not. Should have probably been using a white rag so you could see how much dirt is actually coming out of it. As I'm sure you guys know, this along with the steering wheel, it's probably one of the dirtiest places in the car. Oh wow. Actually, I need to do a close-up of this so you guys can see. I don't know if you can see that. That's dirt. But let's continue. There you have it, guys. This one is nice and clean. Little imperfections that I will show you guys throughout this video. Little background story on the car. His last owner and only owner was a 93-year-old lady that has unfortunately passed away. May she rest in peace. She did have a small encounter with the side of her garage, and that is basically the bulk of the damage to the body on this car. I will obviously be addressing all of this, but clearly that's a pretty substantial dent. This is as good as it's gonna get. I gave her everything that I know. Mind you, I'm a technician, not a bodywork kind of guy, but you know, what do you guys think? She looking spiffy or what? It's hard to believe that this is a 17-year-old car with less than 50,000 miles. 47,000 to be precise, as I've been driving here for a little bit. But as I'm sure most of you are wondering, let's take a look at the side that was actually damaged. Not gonna lie, I was not able to do the dent, but I don't know if you can tell with the sliding, the scuffing has all been gone. Yes, we're missing a little bit of a chrome trim piece there, but this guy, yeah, it's gonna stay that way, as the new owner doesn't mind it. There's no rust in there, so why bother? I got an estimate on it and they wanted $1,000 to fix that, so yeah, we're not gonna cross that bridge. This is it, man. She will be going to a new home very soon. So here we go. New, old, always compare. And this is why you're replacing it. There's no foot coming out, is there? bloopers.
You messed up.
it came out on the bucket. I don't know if you were seeing it, but it was pretty dark, so
Yeah, that's
whatever. We'll leave it up. There we go, there we go. See if you can catch that.
That's it.
You see how dark that's coming out?
Yep.
Is that crazy, man? 46,000 miles, look at that. It's like mud. We'll give them a clip at the end of whatever I can get out of this.
Oh, you can kind of see it.
Changing the spark plugs on the Jetta. All of this stuff is pretty simple, really. And this dipstick has to come out first before you take out your engine cover. You gotta go gently because this is an old lady, and we don't need to break anything else. Place it to the side, and now let's see. Where are our culprits? So they're gonna sit somewhat underneath this intake. No big deal. What you want to keep in mind here is to be gentle with how you remove these cables, and most importantly, you got to make sure you put them back where you found them. Let me give you a closer look, show you what I mean. So these are the guys you're going to be removing. You got that guy, this guy, and there's two more from this side. No need to take this guy out. You can reach it with it in place. So let's do it. So once you get the cable off, I'm gonna get one done so I don't bore you guys with the whole process. Let's see. Fairly loose. So what do you guys think? 46,000 miles. They probably don't even need to be replaced. Let's see. Ooh, that's not too bad. Let's compare it with a new one. It's still good. Guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you that take the time to watch my videos. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't keep doing this. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Until the next time, I will catch you on the next one.